back to another Asian meal prep recipe video. Today I'm just having a little bit of fun with impossible meat. So I have tried impossible burgers and I usually have it in like a burger form, right? So this is the first time that I'm cooking with impossible meat just for fun, and I am making impossible curry fried rice. So I have my skillet right here and it's on high, and I'm gonna start cooking the impossible meat first. So let's do this. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna spray the skillet with olive oil spray. So in it goes. Alright, so I'm just gonna dump in the impossible meat into the skillet right here. There you go. And we're just gonna like stir fry it for a bit. Pretty excited for this one, really. So just stir fry it for about 2 minutes until the redness is gone. Alright guys, so once it's kind of cooked, okay, it took me about 2 to 3 minutes, okay, I am gonna just set it aside. Awesome. Alrighty. Alright, so using the same skillet, I'm gonna turn down the heat to medium-ish. Alright, and I'm gonna pour in the extra virgin olive oil. So in goes the oil. Awesome. Just let it heat up a little bit. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and the chili padi. So in goes the onion. Got the garlic right here. Ginger. And the chili padi. Awesome. And we're gonna just stir it up until the smell rises up and it turns slightly golden brown. Right, so this is awesome. Alright, so we're just gonna let it cook for a bit. So while we're waiting, all we want to do is to actually cook in our egg first, because I kind of want it to be dried up. So we're gonna add in the egg into the pan. So I'm just gonna crack an egg. Scramble the egg. Scramble the egg up. Alright, so we're just gonna do this until the egg kind of dries up very quickly. Awesome. Alright, now at this stage, we're gonna add in the veggies, okay? So in goes the capsicum, mushroom, and carrots. Awesome, so just stir it up and just let it cook, okay? Alright guys, so once the veggies are cooked, we are gonna add in the coconut aminos. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in right here. Got some curry powder. There you go. And I'm gonna squeeze some lime, okay? So a bit of lime juice. Woo! smell of curry right now. Should be really up at this point. Okay. Just a little bit of a stir. We're gonna add in the impossible meat and then the rice. Okay, so in goes the impossible meat. Stir that bit up. Awesome. And we are gonna fold in the rice in a bit. So just let this cook. And last but not least, we're gonna add in the rice. Okay, so in goes the rice. And we're gonna fold this all in together. There you go. Rice. So take your time at this stage to sort of make sure that each of the rice is really coated with the rest of the ingredients, okay? And then you can remove it from heat, alright? Woo! Look at this, guys, okay? We're nearly done. Just making sure that there's no white spots in the rice. Just a little bit more. Looks pretty nice, actually. I'm excited to try this out. There you go. This. Alright, so before I remove it from heat, I'm actually going to just give it a try. So just kind of want to see if we need to add in any extra salt or pepper. But it looks pretty good to me. Just give it a little taste. No, I think it's fine for me. Oh wow, it's actually pretty spicy as well. Ooh, love it. Those of you who are making this at home, if you don't want the spice, you can remove the chili padi, okay? I love chili padi, so that's really it. Awesome, so we are done. Look at this, guys. Looking pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna remove this from heat and I'm gonna make 3 meals out of this dish. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start building my meals because I'm eating this by myself. I kinda know what the macros are. So when you build your own meals, make sure you do so according to your macro, okay? So we are just gonna build this up right inside as equally as possible. Never really happens, actually. It's kind of hard to make sure everything is equal. But as equally as you can, alright guys? So just dump it in. Woo! Oh, it smells really good though. This is amazing. Awesome! Garnish it with some lime. There you go. And right here. And there you have it, guys. That's the 3 meals. Have fun with impossible meat. This is called the Impossible Curry Fried Rice. Make sure you give it a try. Recipe is right up on my blog as well. I hope you enjoy this, guys, and if you do, make sure you give me a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys again next week with another cheap, fast, and nutritious Asian meal prep recipe video. Stay safe!